Hi, I'm Greg Reynolds.
And I'm Ethan Mahoney.
At the University of Alaska Fairbanks College of Engineering and Mines, you will be given the opportunity during your senior year to implement all of the material you learned in previous years as an engineering student.
Our team's project was to build a device that could automate the process of entomological field research. We set out to design a robot bug collector that would drastically reduce the time and resources required to conduct this research. By rotating bottles and weighing them on location, 12 insect samples could be collected with only 2 trips instead of the 12 trips that would normally be necessary. Our project was funded by the URSA program, which allowed us greater freedoms in the materials and supplies we had at our disposal. One of the trickiest parts of the project was programming the device to carry out all the tasks we needed it to accomplish. Our teammate, Mirren, wrote all of our code for the device. Her code enabled the device to rotate the bottles into new positions, seal and unseal the bottles, measure the weight of the bottles, and store the information on an SD card.
Once we established key requirements and constraints for our project that would meet the needs of the entomology department, we began developing a 3D model using SolidWorks CAD software. Once the 3D model was completed, we began producing each component of the device using a 3D printer. This project allowed us to implement various mechanical engineering methods such as gear design, structural analysis, and material science, just to name a few.
After all the mechanical parts were produced, the brains of the robot still had to get installed. We used an Arduino microcontroller to run Mirren's code and used a solar cell to power the device. We also had to put in the weight sensor as well as other electronic components that allowed the device to function the way we wanted.
If you have a desire to improve various aspects of the world we live in through creativity and innovation, then the College of Engineering and Mines at the University of Alaska Fairbanks is the right place to start.